ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಣ್ಣು ಹುಳಿ ಹುಳಿಯು, ನನಗಿನ್ನು ಇದು ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡದು. ಆಹಾರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ತಿರುಗಿ ಬೇಸತ್ತ ಒಂದು ಗುಳ್ಳೆ ನರಿಯು.
One day, a fox walked in the forest. He was hungry and his stomach was grumbling. He then saw a juicy bunch of grapes hanging from a vine. The fox jumped, trying to get the grapes, but the grapes were too high, and so the fox jumped and jumped and jumped again, but he could not get the grapes. So the fox said, "The grapes are sour," and he walked away. Moral of the story: sometimes when we cannot get something we want, we say, "I did not want it anyway." Thank you for listening. Please subscribe to our channel if you like this story. Until next time, Namaskara. Bye bye.